Good morning, folks. MKE Metro Weather checking in. The time is just about 4:30. We have a little bit to talk about this morning. There's been quite a big change in models since last night. So let's run through the HRRR real quick. So a couple possible showers early this morning. We gotta watch for this time frame between about 2-3 p.m. until about 7 or 8 for a few cells in front of this quote-unquote line. Any of these can produce a tornado today. I think the quote-unquote STP values, so our significant tornado parameter, is a little bit off. I'll show you it just because I can. But I don't really buy it. I think this is going to be moved. This is also going to be a problem to the east. Just throw it through a couple days. We can go through next couple days on here as well. So you can watch. Got those couple cells, little line behind it, and then a couple scattered showers, and maybe a couple thunderstorms. You gotta watch that line carefully. But we'll run over to a couple more models real quick. So here is later this evening. It's got a couple little cells. Way different than the few of the other models. So that is also being taken into serious consideration. We can pull up the wrap model. We're going to do that. It's got it raining all day. Excuse me, let me double check. It has it raining right now, and it has it raining until about 9 a.m. And then it just keeps showers and storms nearby, which is interesting to note. So we'll see what happens in that regard. Let me go back. Okay, that is as far back as it goes. Got it. I'm not in full agreement with the wrap. I'll be brutally honest. I don't think it's gonna be showers and storms until almost lunchtime. I think we're gonna be pretty dry, honestly. Run back to the HRRR. Double checking. Okay. It's got it pretty dry today until about between. It says about 5. I think it could be as early as 2 p.m. and it'll roll through. The chance for tornadoes is going to be the highest between 2 and about 8 p.m. After that, it's going to be a damaging wind threat. So, I mean, you can go on with your afternoon events. Just keep an eye on the skies when it gets closer to sunset, because that is going to be a concern. As you saw yesterday, there was 18 people struck by lightning in South Carolina. Like, I posted it. It's just a prime example. When thunder roars, head indoors. Stay away from metal. Stay away from trees. All that good stuff. Flooding is also a concern. We've seen a lot of rain already. We don't need any more. But any storm that happens today, any of those quick little pop-ups, they could drop a quick downpour and easy 1/10 of an inch right there. And then once that other line comes through later tonight, it's going to bring more rain. Heavy rain. Gonna rain for the next couple days on and off. I don't think we're gonna see much this morning. I could be wrong, but I don't think we see that much this morning. I'm in agreement with the HRRR. Maybe an isolated shower or storm down to the south. Maybe so this would be about 11 a.m. Maybe an isolated downpour. Very isolated. There's not even a concern for severe weather with that. But keep that in mind. The main concern is going to be damaging winds today. definitely going to be damaging winds, but I can't rule out an isolated tornado or two, especially further west. So keep that in mind today if you're in Madison or anywhere in Dane County, Rock County, keep that in mind. Hail's not a really big concern, maybe up to golf ball, but nothing larger than that. So that's good news. So I'll go over it real quickly. Main likeliness, we'll call it, is between, 2 to 8. There could be a few pop-up storms, early this afternoon, but then we gotta keep an eye on later, about 6 to 10 p.m. And then there's another line coming through behind it after midnight. So I'd say for sure 6 to midnight, I'd keep an eye on the sky. Any evening activities outdoors, keep an eye on it. I will be posting on and off updates. I still do plan on chasing today. More details to come with that. But that's about all I